Hey everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how Relevance AI works step by step for beginners in 2025. Relevance AI is an AI-powered platform that helps business analyze, automate, and optimize their data using machine learning. It is perfect for building chatbot, automating workflows, and gaining insights, all without needing deep coding skills. First, head over to Relevance AI website, create an account. It's quick and easy. Once you are in, the dashboard gives you access to different AI tools like templates, automation options, and analytics to help you get started fast. Now let's build something cool like a template. You can choose any template you need. In this example, we will use an agent template called FAQ Writer by clicking the clone button. This template automatically generates answers to frequently asked questions. It is perfect if you are managing customer support, creating help desk content, or just want to automate common queries. No custom AI training needed. When you open the FAQ writer, set the description here and go to the build section. This will where you will create your FAQ content. You can add your own set of questions as input, either manually or by uploading a list. Here I am choosing a list of FAQs that's already saved on my device. You can also configure the AI prompt or leave the settings as default if you are not sure. If you are happy with the result, you can save it for future use, connect it to a chatbot, or share it with your team. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.